Gabby, what are you doing?
I'm freshening up.
Because how long have we been at the airport?
900 million hours. 7 hours.
Okay, so we have some news.
Lots of news.
So we were supposed to fly to Bonaire this morning at 5:45 a.m. And we got to the airport at 4:30, checked in, went through security, went through passport control, everything, get to our gate. And at around 5:30, while we're sitting at our gate, they tell us that our flight is canceled.
That's it. No more information than that. Just canceled. That's it.
So we were like, okay, like I guess they'll just put us on like the next flight, which wasn't until 4 p.m.
So 10 hours since when we got to the
Yeah, they told us that we could, you know, try and change our flight, like go to a different airline, and, you know, they would compensate us because it was canceled, blah, 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 but there were no other flights, basically, so we were just like, all right, well, I guess we just have to wait around till 4 p.m. So we sat around the airport, walked around, got some food, and now we're back here again, 10 hours later.
Again. We gotta go.
So now we're nervous that it's not gonna go again, but if we fly to Bonaire, I'm sure it'll be fun. If we ever get there.
If we ever get there.
Which is the market of the neighborhood called Barber, and the weekends is really busy, and everybody comes here, so lots of tourists are figuring it out right now, but it's mostly selling their products, and that's like cheap, but also it's not everything.
Homemade coconut oil.
She makes everything.
Cool. This is a pumpkin pancake. Yum.
It's really good, right?
It's really good. Here, try it. You're gonna like it. It tastes like the ones we make at home. It's really yummy.
We here at Pantry 12, which I am pronouncing wrong. But it's a Dutch supermarket.
We're just gonna get some stuff that we want just for the next like few days, and maybe get some like local kinds of things too.
These are cat licorice drops. They're hard and they're delicious.
Okay, so we're at the ostrich farm right now and we're getting ready to go on our tour. We saw a few animals over there, like monkeys, turkeys. Don't know how I feel about them being caged, because I'm all about like animals in their natural habitat. Alright, so we're gonna go on our tour soon. I think we get to go on a cool bus that's like this.
Yep.
Interesting.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to the ostrich farm. My name is Alexander. I'm gonna be your guide.
What do we think, Gabby?
So I like the actual tour. I think it's awesome. The guy gave a lot of good information, and it's beautiful here. It's like tons of animals. You can go near them, feed them, learn about them, which I think is really cool.
We prefer if like the animals are in their natural habitat and we could see them. Walking across, we have our bridge. It's too sunny
For you to
can't
see.
see anything.